Hello again everybody. So this time we have a Kasp 12060 60mm brass padlock, 6 pins, nothing special on the bitting on this one. Does have security pins in it, all working. So let's stick it in the vise. Oh, sorry. There we go. And see how we get on. Now, I had a little tip from somebody on UK Lock Sport forum, Mimi, about sticking a little tension wrench in the bottom. Just helps protect the bottom there. So we're using a Mad Bob's 1mm straight pry bar, and this is a 15 thousandths homebrew. So let's see how we get on. So begin at the beginning, number 1. And we go slight move on the core. Number 2, nothing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, we got a little bit out of 6. 5, little click. 4, we got a click. 3, nothing, right, 1, nothing, 2, nice click out of 2, there was a fractional counter rotation there, and we got counter rotation out of 1, got a little bit of a full set, 3, 4, nothing, 5, counter rotation, lost a bit of the full set, 5, 4, and there we go. So a few spools in there. But the Kasp 12060 picked. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.